I hope everyone's having a great time wherever you are. Today I've got some vibrant colors going on and this look turned out better than I was hoping for, so I'm totally digging it. Please subscribe and smash that notification bell to see more of my tutorials. Let's just get started. So I'm going to begin by prepping with this NYX primer spray and then allowing it to soak into my skin. And then I'm going in with a peachy color corrector to correct under my eyes. I am starting with the eyes today, and for this I'm using the Natasha Denona Mini Lila palette. You may have noticed that I've already used the shades, and that's because this is my second time filming this look. Long story, and I'm not going to bore you with it. The first shade I'm going in is with Flint, and you might have guessed, this is going to be our transition shade. The next shade I'm dipping into is Raisin, and I'm packing that onto the outer V and then taking it inward into the crease. Although the shades in this palette are very pigmented, I really made sure that I was taking my time blending so they don't seem choppy. The next shade is Poison Berry, and it is my second favorite from this palette. This is a beautiful orchid purple and it packs a punch. So beautiful, and I'm basically just layering this right on top of Raisin. Here I'm going back in with my E27 from Morphe and diffusing all those shades together. And again, continuing to layer Poison Berry and build up that color. I go back and forth a few times here just so the colors form a nice gradient. And doing this step is totally going to make your eye look beautiful and smooth, and it's worth your time. Moving on to my favorite shade, Blue Dahlia. Just look at those reflex, those purples and blues and indigo. This is just my thing, and it works best with my fingers, all the way from the inner corners just to where we stopped with the purple. Now I'm adding back some of that Poison Berry and diffusing it into the Blue Dahlia. I wanted some iridescent blue for my inner corner highlight, so I took a shimmery blue from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette, and then I'm applying that to my inner corners. And on top of that, I'm going to be applying linen to give me that iridescent soft blue highlight that I was craving. Now y'all know I'm all about that base, but I'm going to speed past this part and come back and finish up the eyes. To the under eyes with MAC's Nightingale lip liner. Yes, I know, maybe I should not be using this near the eyes, but I didn't have a plum liner, so I risked it. And I'm still alive and well, and so are my eyes. Moving on to Raisin on a bullet brush. This is going right on top of that liner. Same thing with the Poison Berry shade. Basically, whatever I did on top, I do to the bottom. Now I'm going in with an inky black liner. I'm going to apply a thin line to the upper and bottom lash line, and I'm also going to use this as a tight line. Now this is what made the eyes, in my opinion. This just elevated it to a whole other level. It's smoky and sultry yet vibrant all at the same time. I was just totally obsessed. Now I'm applying just a smidge bit of that Blue Dahlia to the inner part of my bottom lash line, I'm finishing off with a beautiful nude lip. I'm first going to line my lips with the Makeup Forever lip liner in 2C, which is a mid-tone pink. And then I'm just dabbing on a little bit of Boo lipstick from Morphe. And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes this tutorial. I'm going to leave you with some footage of me trying way too hard for the camera. Please share with your friends, family, goldfish, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye!